Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Resaw bandsaws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RIKON Power Tools 10306110 Deluxe Bandsaw. If you're a woodworker with limited workshop space, the RIKON Power Tools 10306110 Deluxe Bandsaw is a standout choice in the Resaw Bandsaw category. It boasts a powerful 1/2 HP motor with 2 blade speeds, 1515 and 3,280 feet/min, that tackles small projects effortlessly. Its compact size, 34 1/4 inches tall and 21 inches wide, fits snugly in tight spaces. The table tilts up to 45 degrees, expanding your cutting capabilities. You'll appreciate the tool-less guide-bearing adjustments for quick setup and its quiet operation. Users rave about its smooth, precise cuts, making it perfect for template making and curved cuts. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kreg Precision Bandsaw Fence. The Kreg Precision Bandsaw Fence, KMS 7200, is the ideal choice for woodworkers seeking enhanced accuracy and ease in their craft. This premium accessory adjusts precisely to your bandsaw's drift angle, ensuring your cuts are spot on. Its adjustable, low-profile design includes T-slots for stops and guides, fitting most bandsaws seamlessly. At just 4.8 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, offering high measurement accuracy with its precision lens cursor. Installation is straightforward, with tips like using washers for smooth operation and waxing rails for longevity. Overall, this fence is a valuable upgrade, making your woodworking projects more precise. At number 3, we have the OSKOOL 24-inch straight-edge guide clamp. You'll find the OSKOOL 24-inch straight-edge guide clamp with bandsaw fence perfect if you're aiming for precision in woodworking. It enhances cutting accuracy by keeping your workpieces parallel to the cutting path, resulting in straight, uniform cuts. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to the quick-release mechanism and measurement markings for precise positioning. The adjustable fence accommodates various workpiece sizes, ensuring versatility. Users praise its stability, with the fence preventing material shifts and the clamp providing a firm grip. Remember, hex head bolts are needed for this tool, which excels in light to medium cutting tasks. At number 2, we have the JET 10-inch Woodworking Bandsaw with Stint. For hobbyists and woodworking enthusiasts seeking a compact yet powerful tool, the JET 10-inch Woodworking Bandsaw with Stand, model JWB10, stands out as an ideal choice. With its compact benchtop design, you can easily transport it wherever your projects take you. The 1/2 HP induction motor handles various cutting applications, while the Poly-V drive system guarantees smooth power transfer, reducing vibration. The aluminum extruded fence lets you make precise cuts, and the quick-release blade tension simplifies blade changes. While some users note issues with vibration and thicker cuts, its sturdy stand and 5-year warranty offer added value for hobbyists. And finally, at number 1, we have the SKIL 2 8am P9N 2-speed benchtop bandsaw for woodworking. The SKIL 2 8am P9N 2-speed benchtop bandsaw, model BW950100, stands out as an ideal choice for woodworking enthusiasts who value precision and versatility in a compact package. Its 8amp motor effortlessly cuts through various wood types, making it perfect for crafting intricate shapes and thinning lumber. You'll appreciate the tool-free belt tensioning and quick blade adjustments that enhance efficiency. The ball-bearing guides guarantee smooth, precise cuts, while the dust port keeps your workspace clean. Despite its compact size, this saw offers robust performance, earning a 4.5 star rating from satisfied users who praise its power and ease of use. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.